Hi, here we are at 1170 Notting Shade Drive. I'll give you the idea of the neighborhood here. Inside here we have the formal dining and living room. Moving farther in, we have the kitchen. I'll turn around and give you a better angle. Fairly large here. And then behind me we have the family room. On the back door, the sliding glass doors rather, we have a patio in the backyard. Give you an idea of the view here. And pretty close to the sliding glass doors here, we have the master bedroom. Closet. And here is the master bathroom. Let me go ahead and get into here. Here's the hallway. So we have the laundry room to our first left, and then we have the 3 bedrooms back here. So right here is the laundry. Leads out to the garage, which we'll get to in a minute. And then we have the first bedroom. Get into its closet spaces right here. Second bedroom. Its closet space is right here. And going back out into the farther end of the hallway, we have the 3rd bedroom. And its closet space is right here. Now the guest bathroom is located right here. And let's go out into the garage. Here's the 2-car garage. I've got to get a better view of it. Water heater is located out here. And that concludes the tour.